Graceland is indeed Elvis Presley's iconic mansion located in Memphis, Tennessee. It's a fascinating place that reflects the unique taste and style of the king of rock and roll. Graceland houses an extensive collection of Elvis's personal artifacts, including costumes, cars, and belongings. The mansion is open to the public, allowing visitors to explore the rooms and get a glimpse into his life. So, if you ever find yourself in Memphis, don't miss the chance to experience the magic of Graceland. The music gates at Graceland are the heralds of a musical pilgrimage, standing proudly at the entrance of Elvis Presley's iconic estate. Crafted with artistic precision, these gates are not merely barriers. They are a symbolic gateway into the realm of the king of rock and roll. Adorned with intricate wrought ironwork, the music gates are embellished with musical notes and stylized guitars, capturing the essence of Elvis's legendary contribution to the world of music. As visitors pass through these gates, there's a palpable sense of anticipation, as if the very air is charged with the electricity of Elvis's music. The music gates become a bridge between the ordinary and the extraordinary, a passage into a sanctuary where the magic of rock and roll and the charisma of Elvis Presley coalesce. Graceland, Elvis Presley's mansion, has 23 rooms. Here are the names of some of the notable rooms: living room, music room, dining room, kitchen, TV room, jungle room, pool room, racquetball building, trophy room, Lisa Marie Jet Museum, car museum, staircase gallery, meditation garden, etc. Let me take you on a stroll through the enchanting halls of Elvis Presley's Graceland, where the echoes of rock and roll meet the elegance of interior design. The staircase gallery is a visual journey through Elvis's life, featuring a collection of photographs that chronicle key moments from his childhood to his rise to fame. It provides a nostalgic and chronological perspective on the king's extraordinary life. The walls of Graceland, adorned with gold records and memorabilia, feel like a gallery of the king's triumphs. It's not just a home, it's a masterpiece where every brushstroke of design reflects the charisma of the man who called it home. The living room, a symphony of vintage and plush, invites you to sink into the opulent embrace of Elvis's taste. Imagine gold accents dancing with luxurious fabrics, as if each piece of furniture has a story to tell, whispering tales of the king's grandeur. The jungle room, with its vibrant green shag carpeting and wood-paneled walls, exudes a tropical charm that transports you to an exotic retreat within the heart of Memphis, Tennessee. It's a room that defies convention, where the line between the wild and the refined blurs, much like the king's boundary-pushing musical style. The jungle room wasn't just a decorative choice for Elvis, it was a deliberate departure from the norm, a symbol of his unique taste and willingness to embrace the extraordinary. The decor, complete with Polynesian-inspired elements, brings a touch of the exotic to Graceland, making the jungle room a memorable stop on the tour. The room, initially designed as an addition to the mansion, has become an enduring symbol of Elvis's flamboyance and individuality. It's a space where the king's personality and creativity shine through, and every detail, from the kitschy decor to the bold color scheme, tells the story of a man unafraid to make a statement. The kitchen is a time capsule of retro charm, with vintage appliances and classic kitchenware that evoke a sense of nostalgia. Imagine the hum of a retro refrigerator, the clink of utensils, and the comforting whir of appliances that once played a role in preparing meals fit for a rock and roll legend. Picture the countertops where Elvis might have indulged in his favorite snacks. From peanut butter and banana sandwiches to Southern comfort food classics, the kitchen whispers tales of the king's culinary preferences. The living room exudes the warmth and elegance of Southern charm. Imagine plush furnishings, intricately patterned fabrics, and rich colors that create a sense of coziness. It's a space where grandeur meets comfort, embodying the gracious hospitality that the South is known for. Picture the living room as a hub of lively conversations and shared moments. The seating arrangements, designed for comfort, invite you to sink into the plush sofas and chairs. It's a place where stories were told, laughter echoed, and where the king himself may have entertained friends and family. Central to the living room's charm is a grand piano, where melodies from Elvis's fingers may have once filled the air. The piano becomes a centerpiece, not just as a musical instrument, but as a symbol of creativity and artistic expression. The Elvis Presley Car Museum displays the King's impressive car collection, featuring iconic vehicles like his pink Cadillac and Stutz Blackhawk and other custom-designed vehicles that showcase Elvis's passion for stylish and unique cars. The Lisa Marie and Hound Dog 2 airplanes, parked just beyond the mansion, add a touch of aviation glamour to the experience. Step inside and marvel at the custom-designed interiors, complete with plush seating, a conference room, and even a private bedroom. It's a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle befitting the king of rock and roll. Trophy Room showcases Elvis's numerous awards, gold records, and memorabilia. It's a testament to his unparalleled success in the music industry, providing a visual representation of his impact on popular culture. Gold and platinum records. The walls of the trophy room are adorned with an impressive collection of gold and platinum records, symbolizing the chart-topping success of Elvis's albums. Each record represents not just commercial success, but the enduring influence of the king of rock and roll on the music industry. Don't forget to check out the racquetball building, where you'll find a display of Elvis's dazzling jumpsuits. The elaborate designs and intricate beadwork showcase the flamboyant side of his stage presence, giving you a front-row seat to the fashion that defined an era. From his military uniforms to personal letters, you'll get an intimate glimpse into the private life of the king. The archives are a time capsule that preserves not only the career milestones, but also the personal moments that shaped Elvis's journey. The Meditation Garden is the burial site of Elvis Presley. His grave, marked by a simple headstone inscribed with his full name, birth, and death dates, is situated in the center of the garden. The presence of Elvis's final resting place adds a sense of reverence to the space. The garden is meticulously landscaped with lush greenery, including trees, shrubs, and flowers. The careful arrangement of plants creates a peaceful and aesthetically pleasing environment, providing a natural backdrop for moments of reflection. Many visitors find this area to be a peaceful and reflective place, offering a moment of contemplation amid the beauty of the landscaping. Beyond being a private residence, Graceland has become a cultural hub. Annual events like Elvis Week and candlelight vigils draw fans from around the globe, creating a vibrant and enduring community centered around the legacy of Elvis Presley. Graceland stands as a living tribute to the charisma, talent, and enduring impact of Elvis Presley. It's not just a mansion, it's a pilgrimage site, a museum, and a cultural touchstone that continues to captivate and inspire generations. In essence, Graceland preserves the spirit of the king, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the magic that defined an era. After taking a look at Elvis Presley's house, what are your thoughts? Is his home as spectacular as you thought it would be? Would you like to visit this mansion? Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next video.